Hello guys and welcome to my channel Departure from the Usual. Today's shout out goes to Joel Checo. If you guys also want a shout out, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video and comment down below. Guys, today I'm going to tell you about a mysterious case happened recently in India. The boy you're seeing in the video is 20-year-old Abhishek Malik. And according to him, he was having a fight with his parents and sister for several days. There was a rift with everyone. He was upset and deeply annoyed by her sister's excessive interference. According to Abhishek, they had also stopped his expenses and also taken his car, but on the other hand, they were giving a lot of freedom to his sister. He told all this to his friends also. His family members also stopped even his friends from coming in the house. And this made him even more angry. But on 27th August, something happened that this family has never imagined. In their wildest dream, someone broke into their house and fired bullets on Abhishek's father, mother, maternal grandmother and his sister, and locked everyone in the room and went away. When police arrived, there was no one in the family who can tell police what had happened. So obviously, they asked questions to Abhishek. And now I'm going to tell you the story that Abhishek narrated to the police. He told the police that he had gone to the hotel to have dinner with his friends. When he returned home after 2 p.m., the main gate of the house was closed without latching. When he went to the room below, the door was closed. In the upper room, the door there was also found closed. He knocked on both the doors very loudly and also called other numbers of the house including his mom and dad, but no answer was received. And when he got scared, he called his maternal uncle and told the whole thing. His uncle advised him to break the door. When he somehow broke the lock of the door, he saw blood-soaked family members inside, and he was devastated. His sister was breathing heavily, which he immediately took to the hospital. Then he called his uncle and told the whole thing, and after that he fainted. But guys, the reality is far away from this. According to police, during the interrogation of Abhishek, every time he had some acquaintance with him. Because of this, he could not be interrogated much. But on 31st August, when he was questioned in private, he confessed to killing everyone, one after the other. Yes, you heard it right. And after collecting evidence, he was arrested. And guys, now I'm going to tell you Abhishek's confession. On 31st August, he told police that on the morning of August 27, between 11 and 11:30 am, he went to the house and suddenly he fired bullets at his father, his maternal grandmother, his sister and his mother, one by one, and locked everyone in the room and came out with the keys. Some distance outside, his friends were waiting for him. Along with them, he went to the hotel to party. He ordered a lot of food and drinks there. His friends ate all the food, but Abhishek was unable to swallow a single bite. And after about 2.5 hours, he made a new plan and returned to the house. And according to this plan, he told the story of closing the doors of the house, calling everyone continuously and not getting an answer. And then he broke the lock of the gate and entered. Guys, according to police, they are telling that his 2 friends are also involved in this crime. But so far, Abhishek has told that he has killed all the 4 alone. Guys, Abhishek wasn't even present at his family's funeral. And people were discussing that somehow Abhishek was behind this incident. And as you can see in the CCTV footage, Abhishek went to the hotel with his friends after committing the crimes, and he is looking completely normal. And in this footage, you can see that Abhishek is crying seeing the dead bodies of his family members at his home. But the police claim that he did all this so that no one has any doubts about him. During the investigation of the police, the team found 2 empty shells of bullet from the upper room and 3 empty shells from the lower room. In the room downstairs, Abhishek's father, Bablu, was lying on the bed and he was talking to someone on his mobile phone. When he was shot, his phone was stuck between his ear and shoulder. Guys, now I will tell you the real story. Police said that the accused was planning this murder for a long time. The family members were very angry about his relationship and him being gay, and due to which his father had stopped paying him the expenses. Abhishek had hidden his father's illegal pistol several days ago and kept it with him. During the police interrogation, Abhishek also revealed that he wanted to change his gender through sex reassignment surgery. He was collecting information about such clinics on the internet for surgery for the last 1 year. Not only this, he wanted to change his gender and run away abroad with a friend from Uttarakhand. According to the police, when the family came to know about this, Abhishek was beaten up fiercely by them, and angered by this, he committed this crime. Guys, Abhishek was in a relationship with a young man from Nainital for the last 4 years. While the friendship of both happened during the cabin crew course in Delhi, and he has also got his friend's tattoo inked on his chest. Guys, being gay and being angry with the parents is not a problem. And parents being upset with their kids after knowing about if they are gay or lesbian is also normal, especially in India. These things take time. And even after giving a lot of time to the parents, if they are not understanding, then one must find another ways to sort out this problem. But killing your parents and your family is not a solution. What are your thoughts on this case? Tell me in the comments below. I'll meet you next time with another crime story from around the world. Until then, signing off.